Good morning, students. I am Dr. S. G. Suryavanshi, FYBSc, semester first, zoology paper first, animal diversity, and we will continue the chapter number 6, phylum Cnidaria. We will see the classification of phylum Cnidaria up to the classes with 2 examples of each class. Class first, Hydrozoa, for example, Hydra, Physalia. Class 2, Scyphozoa, Scyphozoa, for example, Aurelia, commonly called as jellyfish, Lucernia. Class 3, Anthozoa, for example, Metridium. Metridium is commonly called as sea anemone, Gorgonia. Class first, Hydrozoa. Hydrozoa are mostly marine and colonial animals. Some are solitary and freshwater sessile and free swimming forms. They show tremendous tetramerous and the polymerous radial symmetry. Body wall consists of an outer ectoderm, inner endoderm separated by a non-cellular gelatinous material known as mesoglea. Exoskeleton is horny, made up of calcium carbonate. Gastrovascular cavity without septa. They shows polymorphism. There are 2 main types of zooids, ZOOIDS, the polyps and the medusa. Many hydrozoa shows alternation of generation. Fertilization is external. Cleavage is holoblastic and embryo is ciliated, known as planula. Reproduction also by budding, for example, Hydra. Hydra, commonly known as a Portuguese man of war. Second example, Physalia. Third is Obelia. This is the figure of Hydra. Basal disc, ovary, fully grown bud, testes, and hypostome is at the tip and it is surrounded with the help of a number of tentacles. Mouth is surrounded by tentacles. Then second example from the class Hydrozoa is the Physalia. Nematophores, gonozoids, smaller dactylozoids, gastrozoids, tentacles bearing nematocysts, larger dactylozoids. Then we will see the class second, class 2 is the Scyphozoa. Scyphozoa. Scyphozoa includes large jellyfish. They are exclusively marine. They are free swimming or attached by an arboreal stalk. Mesoglea is usually cellular. Sense organs are tentaculocysts, which are small modified tentacles. Gastrovascular cavity may or may not be divided into 4 interradial pockets by septa. Polyps are absent or short-lived. Medusae are large, bell or umbrella shaped, without true velum. Fertilization is external. Free swimming planula larva with cilia. Examples: Aurelia, Lucernaria, Rhizostoma, etc. This is the figure of Aurelia, jellyfish, umbrella-like surface of the body, marginal lappets, marginal tentacles, submarginal surface, then oral arms. This is the Lucernia. There are the tentacle clusters. Anchor is also there. Class 3, Anthozoa. They are exclusively marine and are colonial forms. Mesoglea consist of fibrous connective tissue and amoeboid cells. Gastrovascular cavity is large, divided by walls or septa. Polyp stage is present but medusa is absent. Fertilization is external. Sexual reproduction by producing a free swimming larva. Asexual reproduction by budding or fission. Example: Metridium is the sea anemone, Gorgonia, etc. This is the figure of a Metridium. This figure indicates that mouth is articulated with the help of a crown of tentacles. Oral disc is there. Collar and the column or the body. This is about the metridium, cyanemon, and next one is the gorgonia. Gorgonia. There are so many branches. Pedal disc is also there. Stalk is also there. Then the meshes